Alright. My bad. I wasn't even recording. Yeah, I wasn't even recording, folks. Y'all ain't even see the intro. But I really was just bullshit anyway. As y'all can see, y'all keep fucking dying, folks. It's the first I can do. I got 2 bodies, though. That y'all ain't gonna be able to see. But y'all know that I got them. Yeah. I mean, whoever joined the live, they saw me get them.
We're detecting vulnerability in the enemy system. Monitor up to stations and secure their intel before they go offline.
Shit! Shit! There's 2 niggas on me! What the fuck am I supposed to do? Damn. What the fuck am I supposed to do, bro? Be for real. What the fuck am I supposed to do, shop? They got me in the castle, dude.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Damn, already. I hope nobody's in there. I hope nobody's in there. Oh, no, this bitch. Oh, hell no. I need another gun for it. This bitch go too slow, shit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I can't even up this bitch for real. Y'all see the aim down speed on that bitch? That bitch buzz. Need the bread for y'all know what the fuck going on. Yeah, this bitch quick. Alright.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Let him drop in. Oh, hold on. My dumb ass. I scared myself with that.
You're losing round.
What's that? What the hell? Tripping in that bitch. Should we get him? Should we get him? I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. I might as well keep this a little bit. I saw it. I saw it. I don't know what the fuck. Let's see if y'all need my shit back. Man, what the fuck are all the ops?
Only 25 remain.
Enemy UAV active.
The enemy resecured their network. It's over.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Fuck, bro.
Fire sale active.
I feel like a bitch anyway. I was hiding and shit.
Prices have been reduced.
It's really because I ain't even smoke for it. Yeah, I ain't even hit it with that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas finna get active over there. What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck is he talking about? This nigga hard scope. See, that's why you can't be chilling for too long, bro. You can't never chill on this bitch for too long. That's why I like playing this shit. Cause while motherfucker camping for you fuck around and get your pop. Now if you a smart, you know what I'm saying, player, then you know.
Resurgence
Not all
is
the
about
time.
to end. Make it count.
But for the moped, but for the meantime, in between time,
Gas is moving.
shit, I'm in a circle.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, yeah, I'm saying. I just wanted to pop shorty for that bitch takes so long to aim down. I'm taking forever to aim that bitch. It's the first game of the day, man. I ain't gonna.
Adjusting prices.
I ain't gonna. It ain't shit to me, shout. I just want to at least upload, you know what I'm saying, or go live, like, you know, at least like for an hour or some shit. Yeah, day type shit. Until we get like at least like 100 subs.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I need that. Oh, yeah.
Resurgence has closed. No more second chances.
Just said no more second chances, nigga. I mean, I ain't finna. You feel me? Shoot.
Down to 10. You can win this. 25 remained.
Ain't no way.
Failure is a wise teacher.
That's crazy. I came in 11th, man. Now the real question to be: should I play again, or should I just get the fuck out of it? Cause I really could just leave with that. You feel me? Cause that shit did just blow me. For I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. For that shit really just blew me. For ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way, bruh. I got the plunder bag. Alright, bet. So y'all see it, man. Plunder bag, mini royals. Yeah. If you ain't gonna see that Lockwood MK2 video, y'all need to go watch that bitch, folks. But yeah, man, I don't know. I'm probably gonna hop out this motherfucker, clean up and shit, then hop back on. But hope y'all enjoyed that little shit, man. Some bullshit, bro. I'm gonna drop another video today, but that was some bullshit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I done enough finna smoke my little blunt, man. That's crazy, bro. Sometimes you gotta give yourself a little time off this motherfucker, bro. Like, ain't no way. Who on this, bro? Ain't nobody even on. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find some people to hop on with and then hop on Resurgence again. But I fuck with solos cause, you know, I just get to do my own thing. Anybody I see I get to just kill, so it's like for me that feel like just like a regular free for all, to be honest. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, no, man, we out this thing, Dizzle. Make sure y'all go to the OSM, you know what I'm saying, website, bro. Purchase your merch. Later, I might have on my OSM jersey. You know what I mean? Might put on the OSM hat. You know, I gotta wear my Lakers. You know, I gotta represent the Lakers until, you know what I'm saying, until that shit over with. But yeah, man. Yeah, some bullshit. Some bullshit.